What's all this then, beautiful snow people? There's no snow. That's right, we're dead in the middle of bike season now. I'm doing bike patrol. So I guess I'll call you guys beautiful bike people. I don't know. It is August 11th or 12th, I believe, 2022. And we're up here at Bryan Head at the now bike park and soon to be ski resort. Another few months, couple months. It'll be snowy again, but until then, we're riding bikes. Just as fun. So it'll definitely be a little bit different. I'm gonna have to figure out how to film this. I've got other bike stuff, but we'll see. We'll try to make it exciting for you guys and gals and see what a day of bike patrol is like, and we'll go from there. All right, we'll see you guys on the hill. Let's go. One very exciting change since April. We got new fancy lockers. Moving on up, people. So, luckily they marked mine so I would know which one is mine. So a few weeks ago, I was fixing my, I believe, front tire and took my sweet little anodized valve cap off and lost it. Look where, yes. Starting this day off good. All right, so what I'm doing right now is I am doing the our usual sweep. This is upper timberline. Actually connects to Dark Hollow, going that way. All right, let's continue on, shall we? One of the things I always need desperately here is caffeine. Wintertime, summertime, it doesn't matter. I always need extra caffeine. So the first run of the day is done. I did olive timberline, upper timberline, mid timberline, lower timberline. I did not do timberline DH, which ends right there. We'll get that later. What we want to do on sweeps for bike season is we initially try to hit all the main popular trails, especially that's especially important after a good rain, and we've had rain pretty much every single day for a while, many days in a row, and we're getting a lot of rain, so hopefully that'll put a dent in this drought. Not sure how that's gonna work, but hopefully. And hopefully this will mean we get a good ski season as well, so that'd be good. There we go. All right, hey Brandon.
Hello.
So Brandon, how you liking bike patrol?
I love it. It's a little more scary than skiing is, but that adds to the fun. A little bit of danger in there.
So this is your favorite trail right here, right? Low gritty?
That's one of them. It's one of them. It's not the best conditions today, but again, that makes it a little more fun.
It is. What do you like best about bike patrol?
What I like best about it? I don't know if there's anything I like. I kind of love it all. I mean, the weather's usually a lot better than it is. It can be a lot better than it is in the wintertime, except when it rains, but a lot more trails. The trails are constantly changing every day depending on the weather, not unlike winter where most of it's groomed. We don't have groomed trails on mountain biking.
Not so much.
Nope.
Cool. All right, man. So one thing to know about Bryan Head is that a few times a season we actually have different events going on in the bike park. So we've got a running event going. It's starting tonight. I say it's all night long. So that's awesome. Crazy people. But yeah, so we've got quite a few more bike events, obviously. We've got a big mountain enduro coming up. And I may or may not participate in that. That'll be fun. I'm not a giant climber, but I'm definitely built for gravity. All right, speaking of which, let's get going, shall we? My bike is actually a park bike. It is a 2017 Scott Voltage 720 with 180 and 190 millimeters of travel. And you can see how hard I have my seat post above the, don't rise above height. To ride it cross country like I'm doing right now. So in case you're wondering what trail this is you might want to avoid if you don't want to pedal here, this is called Color Flow, and it is actually a really beautiful trail. You can see really this is the only bit of climbing that you have to do. The only reason it's hard is because it's somewhere just below 11,000 feet. So that makes it a little bit more difficult.
Wow.
So, as you can see, we have a non-functional lift right now due to lightning. We are in the clouds and it's raining nice and slow. Yay! There's Sierra. And then we have Brandon back there lurking about. So we're waiting. We don't care about rain so much as we do lightning. We can't have lightning within 10 miles of where we are here. So and then we get shut down for about half an hour. If we get any lightning at all, we shut it down for at least half an hour. If we don't get any lightning within that half-hour time frame, then we can go ahead and reopen. So that's what we're in right now, just a hold, lightning hold. Happens to the best of us. What are you gonna do? All right, so moments ago, don't let go. Brandon here pointed out the levelness of that little shelf. And I said, nay, it is not level, kind sir. Look at the brick in comparison. Now let go. But it is level.
Perfectly level.
Nice. All right, so we're abandoning our post. There's no more guests up here, so we're heading on down the hill. We're gonna take Little Gritty on down. Just in case you find this later on, you find our bodies, you'll know what happened. You guys ready to go? You so excited? All right. So unfortunately, I've got a flat. Very ill-timed. Pretty high up here still. And it's raining. Quite a bit of lightning. And oh well, huh? I'm gonna try to pump it up. Hope that sealant works. We'll see. Yeehaw. Just back. If you guys can't make it up that, don't worry about it too much. I can get myself down. Okay, I see it down there. I'm trying to get my tire to work. It's a bit of a challenge. Honestly, for me, this is worst case scenario. I absolutely hate having to be rescued myself. It's a little rainy, a little lightning right now. My tire's flat as it gets. I let my poor coyote down. So I don't know if this is gonna be the last. Dang it, I don't know if you can see through this lens. We'll see. It's a little cold. So Shad and Andy are coming to rescue me. Oh well, how embarrassing. So one of the biggest challenges that we have up here on the mountain in the summertime is erosion from all the rain. As you can see, we have a fair amount of erosion going on right now. And if you can imagine that going down all of our trails, yeah, still waiting for rescue. How shameful. All right, everybody, so just in case looks like my battery's about to die. Just in case it does, I appreciate you guys and gals tuning in, you beautiful bike people, you. If you wouldn't mind, if you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe for more adventure, whatever this is. So I appreciate you guys watching. So if you have any questions or comments or whatever, I'd love to hear from you. And if not, come up to the top 2 and say hi sometime. Look forward to meeting you. Moments after whining about not being rescued, they show up just in the nick of time. My whining was reaching a huge crescendo when suddenly out of the mist came my rescuers. A little rainy. A lot of walking in this ride.